could call out some names if I wanted to be messy, but I love my little peace that I'm having right now, so I ain't gonna say nothing.
Me too. I'm loving the piece too. No drama. It's been
Yeah.
drama free for how many weeks? I'm loving it, and it's
It's been a
sustained
month
that way.
now. It's been a month, and I'm grateful
Oh
to Bry, the president and CEO, which is a true leader, because
yes,
he led us
block their ass.
to block them and
Block, block, block.
to leave them to leave us.
Now he told us. I didn't mean to cut you off. He actually told us to do that before, but that
It didn't
didn't
quite work.
happen. No, it sure didn't. But this
It
time it
didn't
did.
quite work.
This
I needed
time
to say what the hell I needed
we
to say to them. Now that I have said everything, now that I have said everything with my chest full on, I said, okay, time for y'all to go bye bye. Because I'm focused now. Y'all know I am really proud of myself because I have stopped being
yeah.
messy now. I have